Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here we can see sound mode section, and just to turn on silent mode we should switch sound to mode here. Now our notifications and ringtones and system sounds, they are just muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off we should switch mode to the sound section, and that's it. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and here we can see the sound icon. Just to turn on the silent mode, just click twice to the sound icon and it will switch to the mode. By the same way, click once again to the mode icon to switch it to the sound mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.